I am 79 years old. I was born in Los Angeles. I'm married with 2 kids and 4 grandkids, and this is my wife, Marlene. Playing tennis for 60, 65 years on cement will mess up some part of your body. I was having some trouble with my knees, and I started going to UCLA SCOI. Dr. Bawa was an amazing surgeon and an amazing person, and he has great communication skills. And I'm very, very happy with my result. In fact, I've probably sent him about 10 patients because I know a lot of tennis players. I hardly ever notice, in fact, I don't notice that my left knee is different from the other knee. Now, would I play tackle football and risk getting it cracked? No, you don't. You gotta use your brain. But as far as running and moving, I think I'm very much normal and faster than I was, I think, 3 or 4 years ago, for sure. I'd say you're probably nervous when you get on an airplane to fly to New York, but you are always going to make it there. In the hands of someone like Dr. Bawa, I feel it's a win-win. All their doctors, from the knowledge that I personally have, is that they're all highly educated, highly motivated. It's a very efficient run organization. And like I said, there's so many doctors and so many operations. I don't know how it works, but it all seems to get done, so I would recommend it. Caring.